Yo, if you are serious about making money online and you haven't joined Live Good yet, you definitely need to take the 5-minute Live Good tour. And you can do that by clicking the first link in the description. Now let's get to the video.
So my next point I want to make is you got to enjoy what you're doing. You got to enjoy it, straight up. Like, I stay busy. Right? I stay doing something all the time. I'm here tonight, right? I'm doing something. I'm always moving. I'm always grinding. But I enjoy it, right? You have to enjoy what you do with your business, right? If you don't enjoy it, it's going to make it hard to be successful. And everybody, I'm sure, know that, right? We've all done stuff that's like, right? And you get done doing it, and you're like, damn, that could have been better, but nah, I don't really care. Right? Like, you have to enjoy what you're doing. Because on the flip side of that, when you enjoy what you're doing, doesn't it make it easier to do? Like, for real, like, when you enjoy what you're doing, it just makes things just easier. You actually look forward to doing what you want to do. Right? And that is so important. You got to find that joy in what you're doing. Because without that joy, it's going to set you back. Right? So, like I was telling my other sister, she's in Arizona, and I help run her YouTube channel. She does fitness videos. And she calls me a lot, and we talk back and forth, and she was slipping for a while. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. She was supposed to be sending me a video a week. Video a week, because I edit it for her. Right? And I'm like, you know, she works a full-time job. She works a full-time job, but she's the fit mom, part-time. She wants to get popping on the internet, on YouTube. Fit Mom is her brand, right? And, you know, a week ago by, no video. 2 weeks ago by, no video. I'm thinking, something ain't right. You know what I mean? Like, I thought you was the Fit Mom. So every once in a while I would call her and be like, hey, you the Fit Mom or not? Are you? Yeah, but you know, what happened was, da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. And I'm like, all right, cool. A month went by. 2 months went by. I stopped talking about it. You know what I'm saying? Because I said, you know what? I don't think she really enjoyed it being the fit mom. I don't think she enjoyed doing videos. That's when I come to that conclusion. So I had talked to her. She had called me, and we were talking. And I'm like, yo, you really ain't on this whole fit mom thing. And she's like, well, you know, I am, but it's just like the videos, you know, I just really don't know what to talk about. I really just, you know, I can't, you know, I just don't, I'm not motivated to find, you know, I just don't want to shoot no videos. I said, listen, you need to stop all that. Shoot the videos, not that you think you should be making. For now, do what you like. Do what you like, right? About a week later, you know what she sent me? She sent me a video. It was a workout video with her and my little niece, also her daughter. They were doing a workout video together, right? They were doing a workout video together, and she called. She's like, did you get the video? She goes, oh, we had fun. London had so much fun. That's her daughter. And I said, that's what I'm talking about, right? She goes, we're going to do another one tomorrow. We're going to do another one, right? She was sending me all these videos, and then I was like, listen, slow down. She says, I can't, you come slow it down now, Fit Mom, right? So she started getting into it. Then she got in this rhythm. So then she called me. She goes, hey, you ever heard of this Kajava? This Kajava drink, smoothie drink? I said, yeah, I just did a review on it. It's so good. As soon as I tasted it, I got my camera out. I shot a video. I sent it to you. My response was, again, slow down. Right? I'm just joking. But she sent it to me, and she's on it. You know what? You know what? She's enjoying herself. I was talking to her today. I wish I could show I wish I had a screen set up. Tell her next time I'm gonna have a screen. Okay. So, but no. She sent. It's so funny because she sent me a text today. I wish I could show it, but right before I came here, she goes, "Hey, I just did another review video. I already sent it to you just today. I already got it to you. I have 3 videos in my email right now from my sister that I got to edit and put on her YouTube channel, and because she's excited, she's enjoying what she's doing now, right?" And not that y'all care about ad revenue on YouTube and stuff, but ever since, let me tell you something, her ad revenue started increasing because she started sending me videos. She's making more money now, being the fit mom, slowly but surely. but she's enjoying herself while she's doing it. That's the key. She's enjoying what she's doing, right? So if you're not enjoying it, I encourage you with your business, because it's primarily, I'm trying to get y'all to really realize that, it don't matter how long you've been in the business, whether it's day 1 or day, who been here 30 years, day 4,760, it don't matter. You still can achieve your goals and go big with the business. Go bigger than whatever you think you earning, you can even go bigger, right? It's possible.